Looking for an easy way to earn rewards just by sharing your opinions? Look no further. In this video, introducing a free app that allows you to earn exciting rewards by simply participating in polls and surveys. Say goodbye to wasting time scrolling through social media when you can make every minute count and get rewarded for it. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I am always sharing amazing and effective methods to make money online, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe, and it would be great if you commented down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. Now, let's get started. Unlock a world of rewards, just a few taps away. Imagine earning gift cards and cash by simply providing your valuable feedback. With Jagger app, you can make every minute count while enjoying the perks that come with it. Jagger is a survey app that values your opinions and rewards you for voicing them with gift cards and prize draws. Engage in diverse polls and short surveys covering a spectrum of topics, from your favorite brands to the latest trends in sports, food, fashion, and more. By participating in surveys, polls, and optional passive media research, you earn valuable coins that can be redeemed for exciting gift cards and exclusive rewards. Additionally, your accumulated coins unlock the opportunity to win various prize draws, amplifying your earning potential. And it works very simply. Download Jagger and fill in your profile info to qualify. Take a variety of short polls and earn coins. Enable media research, unlock more surveys, coins, and XP to increase your chance at prize draws. You can take social polls and occasional surveys once you have filled out your basic profile. Then, you will get more survey opportunities, hence your chances to voice your opinion, earn rewards, redeem your coins, and collect Amazon gift cards, Netflix gift cards, Spotify gift cards, and many more. Jagger is known for being the most complete social polls and surveys app in the industry. It allows you to use a combination of different interactive features like participating in fun polls and occasional surveys. For the adventurous ones who want to earn more rewards, turn on media research to participate in TV and YouTube media studies. Jagger is globally available for users with both Android and iOS devices. Jagger is 100% free to use. Download it today and start earning points, coins, and rewards. Don't miss out on this opportunity to turn your valuable opinions into tangible rewards. Join the millions of users who have already benefited from this amazing app. Download Jagger app now and start earning rewards with polls and surveys today. In the end, thank you so much for taking the time to watch the entire video. If you found it valuable and enjoyable, we would greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and sharing it with others. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos like this.